At the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals, TikTok lawyers told the circuit judges to dismiss my case because they said I was raising new issues on appeal. And because my case was dismissed without prejudice, I refiled in the district court. Now, in the district court, they say I'm barred by preclusion because, as they say, I'm raising old issues. At the second court, the issues with you. I come to the district court. They said the issues are old. Maybe we should go back to the second court. They cannot have it both ways. I'm in court because they eroticized my protest voice for the reunion with my son.